So I started working here last year. It has been just in a year, and this was a very new industry for me. I mean, I have worked in an IT consulting firms before, but never in this industry. For example, I am working on the search area at Microsoft. So I look at the metrics that represent the user satisfaction, and then I work with the business team, and they in turn work with the product teams to understand what features we can add. So we are about 10 to 15 members overall, but there are people from engineering team, there are people from PM team, but I think most of them were not aware of any data science. So this bootcamp would make them really comfortable doing all of that and taking up new challenges. And the thing that we are planning to take forward from this course is to identify different scenarios, not only in search area where I'm working, but from scenarios like where other program managers are working, and understand how we can apply machine learning or data science to help them. Initially, I was thinking this bootcamp would be good for people who already understand the basics, because in 5 days, like how much one can cover. But after coming here, I am seeing that the way the concepts are being taught here, it's so much better, and it's helping me to understand the model from inside out, and which I think differentiates you guys from, I think, other people. I think this bootcamp would be really helpful for everyone.